Article 14, aggravating circumstances. The following are aggravating circumstances. Number one, that the advantage be taken by the offender of his public position. Number two, that the crime be committed in contempt or with insult to public authorities. Number three, that the act be committed with insult or in disregards of the respect due to the offended party's account of his rank, age, or sex, or that it be committed in a dwelling of the offended party, if the latter has not given provocation. Number four, that the act committed with abuse of confidence or abuse ungratefulness. Number five, that the crime be committed in the palace of the chief executive or in his presence, or where the public authorities are engaged in their duties, engaged in the discharge of their duties, or in a place dedicated for religious worships. Number six, that the crime be committed in the night time. Or in an habited place or by a band, whenever such circumstance may facilitate the commission of the offense. Whenever more than 3 armed malefactor shall have act together in the commission of the offense, it shall be deemed to have been committed by a band. Number 7, that the crime be committed in the occasion of a conflagration, shipwreck, earthquake, epidemic, or other calamity or misfortune. Number 8, that the crime be committed with the aid of armed men or person who ensure or afford impunity. Number 9, that the accused is a recidivist. A recidivist is one who, at the time of his trial for one crime, shall have been previously convicted by a final judgment of another crime embraced in the same title of this code. Number 10, that the offender has been previously punished for an offense to which the law attach an equal or greater penalty, or for 2 or more crimes to which it attach a lighter penalty. Number 11, that the crime be committed in consideration of a prize, reward, or promise. Number 12, that the crime be committed by means of inundation, fire, poison, explosion, standing of vessel, or international damage, to derailment of locomotive, or by the use of any other artifice involving great waste and ruins. Number 13, that the act be committed by evident premeditation. Number 14, that craft, fraud, or disguise be employed. Number 15, that advantage be taken by superior strength or means be employed to weaken the defense. Number 16, that the act be committed with treachery or alibosai. There is treachery when the offender commits any of the crimes against person, employing means, methods, or form in the execution thereof, which tend directly and especially to ensure its execution without risk to himself arising from the defense which the offended party might make. Number 17, that the means be employed or circumstance brought about which add ignominy to the natural effects of the act. Number 18, that the crime be committed after an unlawful entry. There is unlawful entry when an entrance is effected by a way not intended for the purpose. Number 19, that a means to the commission of a crime, a wall, roof, floor, door, or window be broken. Number 20, that the crime be committed with aid of person under 15 years of age or by means of motor vehicles, airship, or other similar means. Number 21, that the wrong done in the commission of the crime be deliberately augmented by causing other wrong not necessary for its commission.